Alright, gonna drive around a little bit. And I know the roads are a mess, but where I am is going to close at 11 o'clock, and it is 10 o'clock. So, gotta hit the road. Oh yeah, that's slippy. Oh boy. Alright, it is the roads are a mess. I just realized I don't know where I'm going. I think that is the main road. We'll see if it's been plowed yet. I doubt it. Nope. Oh boy. Let's try to find the tire tracks. It has been a very long time since I've had to drive in weather like this. Decades. Plural. We are doing 28 miles an hour. Whatever vehicle is behind me is going faster, they'll have to go around me. I'm not speeding up. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought my wiper broke. No, it's okay. People are passing me. Don't think that's the smartest move. But I do think my wiper broke. That's hard to tell. How fast people are going in this kind of weather. I'm about to be passed again. I'm doing 35 now, which is... I mean, I know I'm on a highway. Alright, let me see if I can go without the wipers for a minute. It's hard to tell where the actual lane is. Can't say that these are blizzard conditions, but pretty close. We have winds 20-25 miles an hour. In order for there to be blizzard conditions, you need 40-mile-an-hour winds, visibility at a quarter mile or less. And I would say visibility is probably a quarter mile or less. The winds aren't quite strong enough. Still, nobody should be on the road, including myself. my mom right now. You know, there's some difficulties with her health at the moment. Just talking to my brother a little bit. I don't know. I hope we can just chalk it up to it's a bad day. Nice to have the road to yourself. Probably right in the middle of the road, but that's okay. Headed toward Jacksonville right now. I was in Hubert. Right here. And the brakes very, very, very cautiously. Current temperature is around 21 degrees. Wind chill probably hovering around 10. And it feels at least that cold when you're out there. I was taking some video. I had my hand exposed for less than a minute. And it was just burning cold. If you know, you know. Very, very painful for about a half hour. Got to the car and was able to warm up. Took some time. As you can see, there's still some grass showing on the median. Not for much longer though. We're looking at snowfall totals. On the low end, probably 4 inches. On the high end in this area, 6. Where I was, about 7. Out by the beach where I was gonna go, I decided not to because I would have been able to make it out there okay, but then I would have been stranded out there for probably 2 days, not wanting to cross the bridge or bridges in this particular vehicle. No snow tires, low profile, certainly not winterized or the kind of car you want to be driving in the snow. So I decided against that. see the wind coming at me right now. But out toward the beach where I was going to go, anywhere from 6 inches to probably 10 inches is possible. Isolated spots. I'll probably do a little traveling tomorrow. Getting really tough to see where the road is. It's a good thing I can see the median, because I can't see the road. This is ridiculously bumpy. I can see waves of snow on the road. I might not be able to see it on camera. I think what I'm going to do is park somewhere. Maybe get out, walk around a little. It's so cold, I don't know if I can do any photography or videography. Got my batteries charged up, but man, the digits get cold fast. We'll see. As much as I love this, and I do love it, not the cold, but just the severe weather aspect. I wish I were in Seattle with my mom right now. I'd give all this up to be there right now. And I'll tell you something. I'm not used to driving this slow on this road. And it just takes a long time to go a relatively short distance. I feel like I should have been where I'm going like 10 minutes ago. And things are just getting started. Nice and toasty in the car right now. Gonna miss that in a few minutes. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but you can hear the wind roaring. Where is the turn? Here it is. Actually, I can't make the turn here, I forgot. Nope, I could have. There was too much snow, and I missed it. I'll have to make a U-turn. Actually, I don't have to make a U-turn. I can make a left at the light. We'll go the back way. The scenic route. tracks. I know this is riveting video footage. I just hit record and I'm not taking my hands off the wheel and I'm not taking my eyes off the road. So it is what it is. Better safe than sorry, as they say. My family up in Massachusetts, friends in cold weather climates right now, thinking, well, this is nothing. And you're right, it is nothing. But not for Southeast North Carolina. We don't get measurable snowfall here very often. The last time we had measurable snowfall that didn't melt by 10 in the morning the following day was 7 years ago. That would be Winter Storm Grayson. That happened in January of 2018. This is going to be a challenge. The wheels are going to spin, aren't they? Nope, no, I got it. Slow and steady. Oh, I thought for sure I was going to spin out there. So, I expect if I don't drive around more tonight, which I doubt that I'll do. Oh, there I spun out. That I am going to be snowed in. You know what? I think we'll park right over here. There's a little path up in front of me here at the end of this road. You can't even see it, but it's right there. And I may try to explore that. We'll see. All right. Guess I'm going to settle in for the night. By settle in, I mean play out in the snow, I guess. All right. Thanks for joining me on my journey. Talk soon. Love you, Mom.